Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G21, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll all the way down to System, tap on Advanced, and in here you'll find Reset Options. And under that option you have Delete All Data Factory Reset. Click on it, and this will bring up a message letting you know what this process removes, so everything here is listed. And if you want to keep anything from that list, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. And assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Erase All Data, confirm it. Now if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it right here. Obviously I have a pattern, as you can see. Once you confirm yours, you can then select again Erase All Data, and this will begin the process. Now the entire process should take roughly like 2 to maybe 5 minutes, and once it's finished, we will be then greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.